Keith, is that you?
Yes,
we
it
didn't
is.
think we had you, but we're so excited to see you out in the rain.
Yeah, it's fantastic because Keith, I know that they were having to cancel some of the earlier events today because of some of the thunderstorms in the area.
Yeah, that's right. We had quite a bit of lightning, clouds of ground lightning here in Cape Elizabeth where we're located, and seems to have done something with our live shot. We've moved things around, and I think we're good for now. But yeah, they've got a couple of events. They had a children's run, I think, that was supposed to take place, and just the general setup has to be paused while this lightning continues, which will be, it looks like, another 15 to 20 minutes for the most part. Let's have a look at the radar, which will show us that there's quite a bit of rain across the state, right? We have a couple of batches. One is moving out of down East Maine, and the other has kind of congealed itself down across southern Maine. And if we zoom in on that, you'll see that ball of lightning, indicated by those little lightning icons, has largely been down just in the south of Portland. So if you're familiar where the Beach to Beacon is located, Fort Williams, that's where a lot of lightning has been hitting. And we're watching any showers and storms trying to develop off to the west in the severe thunderstorm watch box. So far, we haven't seen a whole lot of that severe activity, but there obviously are some stronger storms that have been moving through. When it's not raining, one of the things you would have noticed about today is that the dew points were kind of back up there. We had a really nice period of time, basically from that last Sunday through this morning, where the dew points were comfortable and low. They're back into the 60s, in some cases into the mid 60s. And that's something that will get kind of washed out of here tomorrow afternoon. So our hour-by-hour forecast will show us that this front, luckily, is moving through tonight, moving into the mid-coast to a lesser degree down East Maine. Those showers and storms will weaken incrementally as they move eastward. And by tomorrow morning, we're cleared out for most of us, a mixture of sun and clouds. In fact, we clear out to the point where we could see some pop-up showers and storms in the afternoon tomorrow, temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80. And then Sunday looks like it's straight through just a nice day. Dew points are lower, we should remain dry. It's a mixture of sun and clouds, so a really positive day coming through there. Now, our next chance of rain comes in on Tuesday. The latest European model did throw a little wrench in the middle of the week. It has rain coming in Monday afternoon, lasting through Tuesday and even early Wednesday, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. It's a lot less progressive with that low compared to the last couple of model runs. So that's going to make a big difference in how next week plays out in general. Obviously, we'll keep an eye on that. One thing we're confident about, though, the weekend turns out nice, especially Sunday, as I mentioned. I expect at least the first half of Monday is good, but we may see those showers and storms come in Monday afternoon. Certainly I'd pencil rain in on Tuesday, and then we'll see how quickly that front can move out on Wednesday. Should be back to sun on Thursday, temperatures at that point likely into the mid-80s. Guys, one thing to think about, of course, is earlier in the week, this front was going to come through in the morning hours on Saturday. The front kept speeding up and up. And obviously you can see this is a blessing for the Beach to Beacon race because not only is it unpleasant in the rain, you really can't conduct a race like this safely when there's a lot of thunder and lightning as we're seeing. So this front will be out of here by tomorrow morning and everything will be cleared out.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Keithy. We could see lots of rain out there tonight. Stay dry.